to tweet on Twitter. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can tweet on your Twitter, which is known as X. So you have to follow this simple step. First of all, you have to create an account or log in an account. So if you haven't a Twitter app on your device, just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and navigate to your search bar. And on your search bar, you have to write the Twitter or X. Once you have write that, if it is not available, then you have to install it. So if there is any update available, then you have to update your app to the latest version. So wait until the installation and update has been successfully completed on your device. So once the installation has been successfully completed, just open up your Twitter app or X app here. Once you have been on your Twitter app, so you have to make sure that you have been logged into your account. So if you don't have, you still create your one Twitter account. After logging to your account, you will be directed to your home feed. So you have to click on the Twitter button, so which is indicated by the plus icon or blue button icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on that. Once you are here, you have to tap whatever you want to tweet. You can go live, you can go to the spaces, you can post your photo. Just go for the create one here. Just go for the got it. And here you can type whatever you want to tweet. You can write up to 280 characters here. So if you want to include a photo, video or GIF, click on the camera or gallery option which is on the bottom. You can upload media from there. So just go here and you can upload your media from here. Just allow your app. So just go and allow your app. After that, you have to just go and click on the post option which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Just go and click on the post option and go for the got it. Now once ready, your Twitter has been posted to your tweet here. You can see that. So if you want to view your tweet, you can go to your profile to see your all tweet. Just tap on your profile, just go for your profile here, and here you can see your tweet which has been successfully posted. So by following this step, you should easily post. So by following this step, you should